Our hospitals are overflowing. Children's hospitals being the worst case. I've seen it myself, taking my daughter to an emergency room, waiting with other small kids while there's a shortage. But ironically, we have the doctors. In fact, we bring in thousands of immigrant doctors to this country every single year, but only 41% of them are able to practice in this country. Only 36% of immigrant nurses have the license to practice. The federal government could encourage provinces to speed up recognition of foreign credentials, as we successfully did under the previous government. Mr. Speaker, why has this Prime Minister failed so miserably at doing so?
The Right Honourable Prime Minister.
Mr. Speaker, when it comes to encouraging the provinces to make improvements in healthcare, we're doing more than just encouraging them. We're saying that we will flow significantly more money to the healthcare systems across the country if they can ensure better results for Canadians, if they can ensure better outcomes, if they can ensure that Health Human Resources take advantage of the thousands of people who come from around the world wanting to work and build a better life in this country, including in our medical system. Mr. Speaker, we are serious about improving results for Canadians from healthcare systems across the country, and that's what we're standing firm on with the provinces.
The Honourable Leader of the Opposition.
He's had 7 years to get results, and he's gotten none. Now, all he can do is brag about how much money he spends without actually achieving real outcomes. Meanwhile, immigrants are forced to work in low-wage jobs, even though they are qualified to serve as doctors and nurses in high-paid positions in desperately needed places within our medical system. Less than half of nurses and doctors from abroad actually get a chance to work. The Prime Minister could make it possible by facilitating future immigrants preparing for credentialing before they even get here, providing small study loans for them to get them, and to get the province to speed up the recognition of credentials. Why won't he?
The Right Honourable Prime Minister.
Mr. Speaker, when it comes to getting provinces to speed up the recognition of credentials, I will highlight that it is an NDP government in British Columbia that has just taken significant measures to do that. And if the member opposite thinks he can convince his fellow Conservatives who happen to be premiers of provinces to accelerate those processes, it would be a welcome change from the kind of obstructionism and two-tier health care that the Conservatives continue to push. We're going to continue to stand with Canadians to ensure that we're improving and increasing opportunities for Canadians to get good health care and opportunities for new arrivals to work in the industries in which they are trained.
The Leader of the Opposition.